Hey, this is the boat doctor. The sun came out. It's still cold as Moses, and the currents, yeah, the tide's going out, and it's going out quick. I bet you at least 4 or 5 miles an hour. Yeah. Hey, this is 1450, 2023. Look at this beauty. You got a little, for your rods up there, they put all this nice flooring in it. Non-skid, it is too, man. You ain't going nowhere. All them tubings there are structurally strong, got a strong keel on it. Bow mount would go up there, battery would go right there. You got a bait pump right there. And then there's those other plugs, they go back up underneath where the cell bailers are. If you notice there's a little water in here, I have the cell bailers up, because if you're not running, you're just sitting here, water can come back in. That's why I have those up. But if you want them to cell bail, just drop them down just so you're going, or just put them plugs in it. One of the two. Your battery switch is here. A little 50 of 30 some miles an hour, 2 seconds of plane, wide open throttle. I think it was 5 gallons an hour. That's nothing. That's, I mean, that is unbelievable. Okay, so we're gonna shut that off, and then we're gonna fire this baby up, fuel injected. Nice boat. And then this also has, if you put it in gear, if it's on the hour mode, hold this set button until you see a T for about 4 seconds, and you'll see a T. Then hold the mode button until it says troll, and every push goes up 50. There's 800, there's 850, there's 900. And then the set button is down. About 650 to 600 is where it's gonna run. That's pretty good. And to get out of that, just give it some gas and just hit that set, and it gets rid of that T. Here's gallons per hour right here, miles an hour. I mean, the stables all get out. I mean, these things here, I'd damn near go tuna fishing out in this sucker. They're like a little bobber. There's them 16-footers, you go in and out. And the big swells, so it's not a big deal. You get down, you don't have the porpoise in it. Oh, man, it's got the brakes. So we're gonna slow her down again. We're gonna hit it. 1,000 on, 1,000, feel that water. Wow, that goes. Now we're gonna wide open, trim up. 5,900 where we want to be, 34 miles an hour, 5.4 gallons an hour, 6.3 miles to the gallon. So you got some range there. So look how, I mean, she is burned on a dime. So 6 miles. You got 6 gallons. 100 miles to 6 gallons of gas. Then you go like this, if you get this thing going like this, go straight like this, you can actually stand up. Sit up here, let it do the driving. And I could just go back and forth, steer it. Oh my, I'm gonna get back up there. Water coming up, water going back. Okay, so I'm gonna spin this thing. I'm just gonna go like this. Look at this thing just turn. I can almost keep it in one spot. Look at that. Whoa, making me dizzy. Whoa, slow down, buddy. Okay. Then that's that arrow design, and then the back, same thing. See how I can spin it in reverse? Look at that. Oh, I'm getting dizzy. Unbelievable. And then just hit it and take off. Dynamite boat. And like I say, stable as all can be. You can sit clean over here, you can set people here, you can grab on over there. I mean, wow. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people, 7. Huh. All right, This is your little 1450 Frontier with a 50 on it, all the power you need. Good fishing boat. Then you can put your fish in there, salmon. If you're daring on a nice day, go out and do some tuna fishing. Bring somebody with you though, behind you in another boat. But again, these are unsinkable. So even if you got water up to here, this sucker, the motor's out of the water, you can just sit there and putt on back. Ooh, gutsy. Whoa. Okay, boat doctor out.